What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Havoc. In this one, we're going to do a quick unboxing of these. The 3.5mm audio splitter and the USB C to 3.5mm cable, both from Syncwire. Now before we get into it, full transparency, Syncwire did send me these to unbox and showcase to you all. So thank you to Syncwire for those. Now let's get over to the setup and take a look at these. What we have here is the 3.5mm audio splitter. It is a male to two female. So if you're looking to split audio from, let's say, your mixer or coming out of your PC, or even if you have a phone that has a 3.5mm jack and you want to split that out to share the audio with multiple sources or headphones or whatever, that's what that's for. And over here we have the Syncwire USB C to 35mm headphone adapter. This specifically, my use is for my phone. So when I'm vlogging from my phone out and traveling, I have a Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, and it does not have a 3.5mm headphone jack. It's only USB-C. So this is gonna allow me to plug this into USB-C. In this case, you could use it for like a microphone if you want to do some higher end recording on your phone, or if you don't want to use the Bluetooth headphones, maybe you want to use like some really good earbuds that plug in, that's where you could use this. Let's go ahead and unbox it and take a look at the quality. So first up, we have the 3.5mm audio splitter. Let's go ahead and unbox it. We'll take a look here. We got just standard boxing, it's minimal, which is great. Some of the stuff you can buy off Amazon come in gigantic packages, and it's really wasteful. So this really kind of talks about the product itself, where you can find Syncwire on Facebook and Instagram, and I like it. So this one is 0.75 feet. It's not very large, but when it comes to splitting your audio, you really don't need large stuff. So here we go. We have the Activate Your Warranty Now card, pretty standard. Activate it within 5 days of receiving it. Make sure you are 100% covered. Tell us if you don't like it. If you don't like it or have problems, we have a user guide. Here in the user guide, really, I mean, you don't need a user guide for this, but there's just info of how to contact them if you need support. And then we have the actual device itself, the cable. So it's really nylon braided, good quality. I like that little Syncwire logo here. It comes strapped down with this kind of a rubbery type strap. Let's go and pop that off, set that aside. And then here you go, here's the actual product. It showcases you could do, well, that's cool. So it's got the triple on the post here, so you could do microphone and audio. And over here, it showcases, so maybe you have the headsets that have a single 3.5mm cable out, but you want to do microphone and headphones. That's where you could do with this, if your PC doesn't support a single in. So it has a little headphone icon here, it has a microphone icon here. You should be able to do headsets or earbuds into either, and it should be fine. We have kind of silver plated here, and the nylon cable. While the cable is flimsy and flexible, it also feels nice and solid and high quality. So I would trust my gear using this cable. And again, you would plug this end here into your audio device. So it's whether it's your phone, your computer, your mixer, and then this end is the splitter outside there. It's got kind of a plasticky rubber thing here in the middle where it splits. And then again, if you want to travel and cinch it up, it has this little rubber cinching here. Next up, we have the USB-C to 3.5mm headphone adapter. It's a single, it's 0.33 feet, so pretty small, but when it comes off your phone, you don't want something huge and dangly from the connector. The back side of the box says simple, superior, reliable features as converting USB-C ports to 3.5mm female jack. Connect USB-C phones or tablets that do not have a 3.5mm jack to home or car stereo speakers, headphones. If you have an older car, it might not have Bluetooth capabilities, so like this would be good to connect your phone to the headphone in jack if you have like an old school stereo. Plug and play support, so it's pretty standard. Again, like the other box, it's kind of where you can find them. Minimal packaging, once again, which is really nice. We have, so this one doesn't have a activate your warranty type thing, but doesn't matter, we don't need it. Customer support, safety instructions here on the user guide. And then the cable itself, similar to the splitter, The nylon braided cable feels really nice in my hand. Solid USB C port on the outside connector, and then the Syncwire logo on the 3.5 millimeter connection there. And there you have it. That is the 3.5 millimeter audio splitter and USB-C to 3.5 millimeter headphone adapter cables, both from Syncwire. Thank you again to Syncwire for sending those along for us to kind of unbox and showcase. Now, if you're interested in picking either of these up, I'll put links where you can purchase them down in the description below. Finally, if you found this video helpful, I appreciate if you liked, subscribed, and hit that bell so you know when the next video drops, and we'll see you next time.